Hello folks, welcome back to the 8th tutorial of the Bootstrap tutorial series. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about contextual background. And for these, right now we are going to take, first clear off your container deep, and we are going to take the paragraph tag, and inside the paragraph tag we are going to write down a random sentence which is something like that. You can copy your own from the internet, whatever shit you want to write down, just write it down, just do it. And I'm gonna paste it for like around 6 times. Okay, copy paste. And right now you'll see that these things are quite boring things right now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna color them, and which is called like uh the reason behind the contextual, that means that whenever your uh, context of your paragraph is changed, which is something like it's a danger symbol, it's a warning symbol, it's a primary or something, so you can color the text according to your own wish. So to do that, I'm going to do something like class, and I'm going to say text muted. So by saying this, I'm meaning that this text will be muted, or will be something like in faded color or something. Then okay, let's go back and see. And if I refresh this, you can see that the other 5 lines are same, but this one is kind of bit faded. So you can see the, okay, I'm zooming in and you can see that it's kind of bit faded. So I'm gonna go back again into the text editor, and I'm gonna say class text, I'm gonna say primary. So if I go back again, you can see that this color, the second line color is saying it's changed, which is in primary color. So I'm gonna do add more classes for others, such as like text success. Copy this shit and paste this over here. As after success, we are going to say info, and for this we are going to say warning, and for this we are going to say danger. And save it, go back and refresh, and you will see the color or the rainbow. So there you are. This is something, this is something, this is something. I'm not gonna explain it, but you can see, you can try by your own. So basically every text is representing the text classes over here. These are the classes. So right now what I'm gonna do is I want to merge all the sentences into their own row. For example, I want to merge this something like that in a blue background or something. I want to mark it in its own background, So yeah, let's do with this. Let's not talk. No more talk. So for doing this, I'm going to, for the first sentence, I'm going to say BG and say danger. So which is the background is going to be red. So I'm gonna go back, and if I refresh it, and you can see that the background is in light red or something. Okay, let's go back, and I'm going to add another BG class, which is BG means background. And with the second sentence, I'm gonna add BG warning. For the third sentence, I'm gonna add BG info. So I will add BG success, and for this I'm gonna add BG what is it, BG warning. I have added it, primary. Okay, so I save it and go back to the your browser, and if you refresh it, you will see that all the background have been changed. So this is how you change the contextual background and the contextual color. Right now we are going to learn about the quick floats. So for working with the quick floats, I'm gonna delete it first, and I'm gonna take 2deep, which is deep, and okay, copy paste, and I'm gonna say pull left and I'm gonna say pull right. So if I go back, okay, let's make it as uppercase. If I go back and refresh it, you can see that pull left and pull right are side one below each other. I mean, those are staying into the same column. So I want the pull left to be there and pull right to be there into the same row. To make this happen, I'm gonna go back and say class, and inside the class I'm gonna say pull left, and over here with the right I'm gonna say class pull right. So these are the two classes responsible for taking your text or taking your content to the left side or the right side. So save it and go back, and if you refresh it, you will see that right now pull left is over here and the pull right is over there. This is how you work with the quick float. So right now there might be some situation where you want to hide your HTML content. So to do this, you have to use a class which is called as hidden or show. So for example, I want to make this pull left as hidden or make it disappear from the window. To do this, I'm gonna do something like this and say hidden, save it and go back and refresh it. Pull left is not there anymore. To bring it into the live, you can put show and go back, and you will see that it's working again. If you don't put the show, it will still work, but yeah, show is for making your content status from hidden to show. I think that's all about the quick floats. That's all about our Bootstrap CSS tutorial. We are going to work with the Bootstrap components into the next tutorial series. Till then, take care. Bye bye.